Welcome, in today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to invite friend in Dune Awakening. So to invite the friend you have to press P on your keyboard to open the player's menu, and here click on the search player, enter the character name on Funcom ID, so for me it's gonna be a quill, and here you can click here to send the party invite, and he already joined, but you can also press here on him and send the friend invite. And as you can see, the friend invite is sent. So that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!